Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, David Heroic. So a lot of people have been asking how was I able to get notification of the apps, the Fiverr app I was cloning. So I think a lot of people have been asking this question, and some are unable to at least get the notification of the app they clone using the app cloner arm. So I'm going to make a video on how to turn on or because you're going to use a custom notification option. So before I go on to the settings, so now some people have been asking that they downloaded the app on Play Store and it's asking for them to pay for subscription. So as I did the video I did earlier, I told you that don't download from Google Play Store. Go onto your browser, just go to any of the browser, either Chrome or any of those browsers. For example, if I go to Chrome now, so I will just search for an option. So I will search for clone for the clone app. So now you can see clone app arm apk. So once I click on this clone arm apk, so I will have the option of downloading this app from the Play Store. Not from Play Store, I mean from the browser. Can you see that I'm downloading from browser? So I'll be able to download the free version from here. So you can see download app cloner. So I have the app on my phone already. So if you are just installing the app on your phone, so just click on download instead of going to Play Store, because the one we have on Play Store is an in-app purchase whereby you have to pay for subscription to access some features. So but once you download from the Google Chrome or from any of the browser you use, so you won't be asked to pay any fee because it's a free app. So now heading back to the app, so we are making use of Fiverr, right? So now going back to Fiverr, so remember I told you what to clone, what are the settings you have to do to clone your app for it not to crash again. So now after that, now from one of these options you can see the notification option. So now on the notification option, once you click on the notification, you can see that it is on custom. So earlier people have it on default. Once you have it on default, you might not receive the notification you want to receive. So now one thing you have to do is maybe you can just go download the audio you want to hear when your message comes in. So download it on your phone, name it. Once you name it, come to this notification sound bar, click on custom. Once you click on custom, it will lead you to your phone file where you can just go to the option where you save the audio file. So peradventure, maybe this is your phone, you are trying to put the audio, so you can see I'm in the audio option. So now if I have the audio downloaded already, I'll just click on the audio and probably the one I wish to choose, so I'll just add it there. So probably maybe I've saved an audio. You can just name it so that you can be able to know the one that you already saved. So you can just easily click on it, and once you click on it, you'll be able to receive the notification to the app you are cloning. So and that's how you receive notification app. So for those people that have been asking how am I going to receive notification on the app that I've cloned using the app clone arm. So and not just only Fiverr, if you want to clone other apps as well, you can just make the settings as the same thing. So I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.